Hi, I'm Alvalyn Lundgren. I'm the instructor for Two-Dimensional Design, and I just wanted to take a few moments to introduce you to the course and our approach. So, two-dimensional design, which is what this course focuses on as opposed to real space, which is three-dimensional design, is all about flat space, just having height and width. So we measure space in two directions. We deal with the illusion of volume, how to create the illusion that things are real when they're really not, because they're a drawing or a painting or a photograph. We'll talk about visual pattern and its importance in design. We'll talk about visual design as a whole. We'll deal with universal aesthetic principles, which are common to all cultures throughout history, and they are the things that we use to create design, the things that we actually work with. So we have shape, color, space, line, balance, structure, and rhythm, and emphasis and hierarchy. Those things are elements and principles of design. And you find them in every culture, in every art form, in every design movement throughout human history. We deal with how human beings understand the world visually, which is the primary way we encounter our environment. We discuss style, trend, and movement as ways of applying those universal aesthetic principles. We'll be dealing with research and inquiry. You have to inform your designs from somewhere, and so you'll learn how to recognize and utilize inspiration. You'll learn a common design process that you can individualize to suit your working style. You'll learn how to evaluate and reflect on your work in order to improve your work and your skill set. And this course is mainly about learning a visual language, also known as the form language. That gives us understanding that the visual elements and principles we work with as designers give us the ability to create spaces, to create things, experiences, spaces, and encounters that are meaningful to people. But it's all a visual language. There's a structure, there's a syntax, there's a grammar, there are elements, and there's ways that they go together well, and there's ways that they don't work. The principles that we are talking about are based on, as I said, human understanding. Therefore, if we're designing for people, we're designing for human beings to improve their lives and experiences, then we need to follow those principles in order for our work to be appropriate and excellent and significant for people.